Sairam ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Yes, let's begin the presentations again, and I'll just call out the names of those who are supposed to present today. And the first will be Rajvardhan.
Ma'am, my window has corrupted, so my PPT also is.
Yes, excuse me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my window has corrupted, so my PPT also is.
So how much time do you need? You messaged that to me before the Diwali break. It has been 4 days.
यस मैम फिर मैं विंडो डलवाई थी मैम इसलिए टाइम हो गया फिर पावर पॉइंट डाउनलोड किया
Don't tell me how much time it takes to download a window and to download a PowerPoint. ठीक है, ये घंटों का काम है, किसी और को बेवकूफ बनाना तुम. And at that time you could have made another presentation. This is just excuses. I'm not going to entertain these excuses. If you're going to present, present today, else I'm giving you zero. End of discussion. Next will be Shubham Sahu. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I will rejoin the meeting.
Yeah, fine. Yes, your screen is visible. Go ahead.
OM3 SAIRAM topic equals Nazi propaganda subject Hitler.
Stop this narration.
मैम मैम
यस, आगे बोलो।
मैम बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्निकल इशू मैम आई एम मैम
It
वो
wasn't
टेक्निकल इशू
it
का मैं
wasn't
प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ
starting
मैम इट्स वर्किंग
I could see your presentation. It was just narrating. That is why I asked you.
यस मैम कैन आई प्रेजेंट
Yes, sure. बोला तो सही, करो। और कितनी बार बोलूं मैं?
मैम 2 minutes
In the meantime, Myra, present. जब तक इनके प्रॉब्लम्स खत्म नहीं होते।
Yes, ma'am.
OM3 SAI ramp topic equals Nazi propaganda subject equals social SCI
शुभम, स्टॉप दिस प्रेजेंटेशन।
Hitler.
इसमें शुभम, इसमें जो पीछे प्रेजेंटेशन में नरेशन चल रहा है उसे पहले बंद करो एट योर लेवल एंड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट प्रेजेंटिंग, बट नाउ वेट फॉर योर टाइम। लेट मायरा प्रेजेंट फर्स्ट।
यस मैम
Stop this narration. There must be an option somewhere. Priyanshi, I
Nazi
don't know how I can
propaganda.
help you if you cannot send a simple PPT to one place. Just email it to me. I don't know how else to help you people. Stop the presentation first.
Nazi
Arey, stop the presentation. Yes, Myra.
Yes, ma'am.
You may start your presentation. What are you waiting for?
Sri Sai Ram. Constitutional Design. Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The documents lay down the framework demarcating fundamental political code, structure, procedure, power, and duties of government institutions and set out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of citizens. Preamble to Indian Constitution. The preamble to the Indian Constitution of India is a brief introductory statement that sets out guidelines which guides the people of nation to present the principles of constitution and to indicate the source from which document derives its authority and meaning. Ideals of Indian Constitution. The ideals that enshrined in the preamble of Indian Constitution are as follows: sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Sovereign. People have supreme right to make decisions on internal as well external matters. No external power can dictate the government of India. socialist. Wealth is generated socially and should be shared equally by society. Government should regulate the ownership of land and industry to reduce socio-economic inequalities. Secular citizens have complete freedom to follow any religion, but there is no official religion. Government treats all religion belief and practice with equal respect. Democratic, a form of government where people enjoy equal political rights, elect their rulers, and hold them accountable. The government is run according to some basic rules. Republic. The head of the state is an elected person and not a hereditary position. Justice. Citizens cannot be discriminated on the ground of caste, religion, and gender. Social inequalities have to be reduced. Government should work for the welfare of all, especially of the disadvantaged group. Liberty. There are no unreasonable restriction the citizen in what they think, how they wish to express their thoughts, and the way they wish to follow up their thoughts in action. Inequality. All are equal before the law. The traditional social inequalities have to be ended. The government should ensure the equal opportunity for all. Fraternity. All should behave as if we are member of the same family. No one should treat a fellow citizen as inferior. Thank you.
I'll ask you the same question. Was this presentation 10 minutes long, 5 minutes long? How long was this presentation? Yes, Myra.
Sorry, ma'am.
Was it up to the mark that was set for the presentation? You answer me. Were you not given enough time to prepare? Were you not given enough material to prepare? What is wrong with you people? I'm not understanding. These were the easiest marks you could have scored in the whole year, and you have just squandered it all. Yes, just prepare for your oral test.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can turn on my camera because of renovation is going in my house.
Fine. I do not really care about whatever is in the background, but then again, I am not pushing anyone for anything now on. Yes, and what is the problem of Chinese election system? Can you tell me any one problem of Chinese election system that makes it not completely democratic?
Sorry, ma'am, there was some network issue, so I disconnected.
Name any one feature of China's political system that makes it a non-democratic country and not perfectly democratic country.
Ma'am, communist, China is communist.
What is a communist?
Ma'am, there is no other party.
Okay. What were the violations of rights in Serbia? What violations of rights occurred in Serbia?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Which section of people are vulnerable to poverty in India?
Ma'am, I don't know.
What was the name of the German parliament? If you don't have an answer, say you don't have an answer and let's move ahead. Let's not waste any more time.
Ma'am, I don't have an answer.
कुछ भी चैप्टर पढ़ा है, कुछ भी पढ़ा है तो मुझे बताओ. I'll ask you questions from that and give you some marks for oral test because right now you're scoring nothing. Which chapter have you actually studied?
Ma'am, population.
Population has been scrapped off your course in case you don't know. But again, okay, fine. What is a population pyramid? तुमने तो अभी बोला तुमने ये पढ़ा है. अब ये तो बताओ, what is a population pyramid?
Ma'am, it shows the age groups.
Shows it how? How do you represent a population pyramid?
Ma'am, graphical form.
अरे हाउ, मुझे थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन तो करो, कैसे प्रेजेंट करोगे? क्या उसके एक्सेस होंगे, उसके अंदर कैसे आप प्रेजेंटेशन करोगे? व्हाट इज द पिरामिड स्टाइल ऑफ इंडियाज पॉपुलेशन?
Ma'am, distribution of various age groups.
How do they represent that? So what is immigration? What is emigration?
Ma'am, ma'am, actually,
You're not prepared for the test. I can see that you have not prepared at all. Your presentation was also not prepared. This was also not prepared. Yes, I'll move ahead. Done with you. Yes, Shubham, go ahead and present.
Yes, ma'am. Om Shri Sai Ram. Topic Nazi propaganda. Subject social science. Nazi propaganda. The Nazis were skilled propagandists who used sophisticated advertising technique and the most current technology of the time to spread their messages. Nazi propaganda played an integral role in advancing the persecution and ultimately the destruction of Europe Jews. It incitated, hurted, and portrayed a climate of interdifference to their fate. The Nazi effectively used propaganda to win support of millions of Germans in a democracy and later in dictatorship, to facilitate persecution, war, and ultimately genocide. The stereotypes and the image found in Nazi propaganda were not new, but were already familiar to their intimidated audience. Nazi propaganda played an integral role in advancing the persecution and ultimately destruction of the Europe. The Nazis were master propagandists, especially because they realized the power of the mass media. They used radio, newspaper, public gathering, films and books, sim- symbolize an iconography. Recurring theme in Nazi propaganda were anti-Semitic, Jews to blame for all Germans' problem, anti-communist, anti-socialist, anti-democratic, pro-Nazi, pan-Germanic, nationalist, and militaristic. Films in particular played an important role in discriminating racial anti-Semitic, the superiority of German military power and the interest evil of the enemy and defined by Nazi ideology. Nazi film portrayed Jews and subhuman creature inflating Aryan society. For example, the Eternal Jews, directed by Fritz Hitler, portrayed Jews and wandering culture parasite. Trump Lane reference Trump of Will Whelan is considered best of propaganda film ever made. Books. The Nazi published greater number of books that promote the Nazism, German nationalism, and this anti-Semitic children book Do Not Trust a Fox in the Green Meadow, The World of Jews, The Poisonous Mushroom. The most notable is Adolf Hitler Mein Kampf or My Struggle, which is bestseller during Nazi. Radio propaganda is propaganda aimed at influence attitude toward a certain cause or position. Delivered through radio broadcast, the power of radio propaganda came from its revolution nature. The radio-like later in technology advanced the media allowed information to be transmitted quickly and uniformly to vast population. Internationally, the radio was an earlier and powerful recurrent tool for propaganda campaign. Verbally organized the sale of cheap radio. Their cost was 76 mark loudspeaker put into the cities. The weekly Nazi newspaper that termed the Storm of the Attacker was devoted printed cartoon that used an anti-Semitic character to depict Jews, primarily to anti-Semitic propaganda and promoting hatred against the Jews. The motto of the paper was "The Jews are our misfortune," and it was widely read by the lower classes. In 1927, it sold about 27,000 copies every week. By 1935, it could have reached around 480,000. Nazi propaganda was led by the Dr. Paul Joseph Goebbels, the Rich Ministry of the Public Instruction and Propaganda from 1933 to 1945. In 1933, the Nazis took control of all communication channels. All journalists, writers, and artists were required to register with the one of the Ministry Chamber for the Press, fine art, music, theater, films, literature, or radio, and could not be the published with the Nazi approval. Germany books, films, and the music were banned. Goebbels was known as for the jealous, energetic, authority, and extreme hatred for the Jews. He is held responsible for the nationality by many historians. Get ready for the revision tour. Caution for revision. Describe Nazi propaganda. Nazis were carefully of using language and media. They never used the word killing or murder in their of communication. Mass killing were termed as especially treatment final solution. Selection and disinformation media want the support and help in popularizing their worldview. Nazi ideas were spread through visual aids, radio poster, catchy slogans, and liturgy. German mocked, busy, and stereotyped the group's identity or their enemies in the poster. Socialists and library were represented as weak and degenerate. Orthodox Jews were shown with the following beard, wearing kaftan. They were referred to as vermin. Rat and patch, their movement were compared to those rodents. In what way did the Nazi state seek to establish total control over these people? The Nazi established control over its people by various means. They used different propaganda methods through poster or films to glory their behavior. They were very careful with their language in the media, especially with the word like killing or murder was not used. Media support for the population surveillance and security force to control and order society in way that the Nazi wanted was created. The police force had power to rule with impunity. Holocaust also created an atmosphere of fear and reverence which helped them to establish total control over people. Explain why Nazi propaganda was effective in creating hatred for Jews. Nazi propaganda was effective in creating hatred for the Jews. Language and media were not effectively and with the great care by the Nazi following. The racial theory that the Jews belong to a lower race and considered undesirable. To justify their hatred toward the Jews, they promote and exploiting people that the idea of traditional Christian hatred for the Jews because they were accused to have killed Christ in order to make the German prejudice against the Jews. The Nazi injected hatred against the Jews even in the mind of children through school where they were taught to be aggressive and considerate about the purity of their race. The teachers who were Jews were dismissed and Jewish children were thrown out of the school. Such matter and new ideology training to the new generation of children went a long way in making the Nazi propaganda quite effective in creating hatred for the Jews. Propaganda film made to create hatred for the Jews, Orthodox Jews were stereotype market. For example, one such film was the Enter the Jews. The Nazi regime were language and media were case and often to create effect explain. Media was used by Nazi to propagate their ideas world over. Nazi idea were spread to justify visual image, film, radio, poster, catchy slogan and lifted. Socialists were labeled were stereotyped as the weak, degenerate. Propaganda film made to create hatred for the Jews. The most infamous film was the Italian Jews Orthodox were shown with the following beard, wearing kaftan. In reality, they looked like any other German. These were referred to as red pants. Hitler devised a new style of politics. He understood the significance of the ritual and spectacle in mass mobilization. Hitler held massive rallies and public meetings to demonstrate the support for the Hitler and instill a sense of unity among the people. The red banner were the swastik, the Nazi salute, and the Jewish of the all part of the history of the power. The Nazi propaganda skillfully projected Hitler as the massive, a savior and someone who had arrived in deliver from the people their distress. How was Nazi developed hatred for the Jews? Nazi believed that Jews were the killer of Christ. Until medieval time, Jews were not allowed to own any land. They survived mainly through and money lending. They lived in separate market areas called the
Shubham, I think you are over the time that was allotted. I think it's been a too long presentation. How many slides are left?
and some slides are left.
The time allotted was 10 minutes. I think it's been way more than 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just send the presentation. I will have a look at it later. And that's time for your oral test.
Yes, ma'am.
When did the Great Depression occur?
Yes, ma'am.
When did the Great Depression occur? If you don't know the answer, just say you don't know the answer so that we can avoid this awkward silence and I can move ahead with another question.
Ma'am,
You don't need to Google all that. Just say if you know the answer and if you don't, just let it go.
ma'am, 1930.
Who was the leader of the Jacobins?
Ma'am, Robespierre.
Name any two influential thinkers of French Revolution.
Ma'am, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. I don't know.
Okay. Give me an example of fixed physical capital.
Ma'am, land.
Okay. And in which state will I find Malabar Coast?
Ma'am, in
अरे नहीं आता है तो बता दो. Don't try to search everything. I can hear your keys tapping.
I don't know.
Okay, fine. So it's done for today. Thank you. We will continue this evaluation in the next class. That will be all. Sign off.
Sarah ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Sarah ma'am.